2004 Jaguar XKR Coupe here at Unique Classic Cars. 4.2 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Take a look at the front end on this car. Of course, the supercharged Jaguar logo. Now it is black. It's got a little over 102,000 miles on it. You're going to have some imperfections in the paint that have been touched up here and there. You'll be able to check out the interior pics, car from every angle, engine bay, trunk, undersides. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Take a look at the Jaguar wheels. Continental radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a peek down this passenger side. You can see the side's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Note the tinted windows, so know your local and state laws. Depending where you're located at, and if you plan to purchase this, the percentage of window tint that you can have. See, the panels are nice and straight. Of course, the XKR badging on the back, dual exhaust. Does have a CD changer in the trunk, and I believe there was a battery tender also mounted in there. Comes with the owner's manuals. Technician noted the brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. Some minor drivetrain seats, kind of the normal you'll see in a car that's driven, nothing out of the ordinary. And once again, all those still pictures, so you'll actually be able to see the underside, engine, interior. Right? Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down this driver's side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And I tell you what, let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. We are going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason will take it for a drive. Of course, your modern amenities, memory seating, Alpine stereo system, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Door panel looks good. Seating surface is nice shape. Not showing a ton of wear. Of course, leather buckets. Center console. Exact miles. Right here, 102,907. How about the dash? Dash looks good. Fire it up. Again, take a peek underneath the hood. I did have the radio working. Station right here, right now. I did notice, let's go ahead, and there is a airbag light that was on, and then there's those miles, 102,907. Tax working. Appears the other gauges are working. Was a cold start. Fuel gauge working. Kind of cool how they have the clock set up. Of course, heated seats, electronic climate control. And again, AC blows cold. Wood grain dash stayed a little bit with the door open now. A little darker in here with those tinted windows. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds as you'd expect. Again, 4.2 liter supercharged V8. Slip up to the front. Let's go ahead and take a peek underneath this hood and see if I can get it open one-handed here. Pretty easy. All right, hood liner looking good. There it is. Here's dual overhead cam. Supercharged V8. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Belt driven and maintained. And if you want to see any of the door jamb stickers, the VIN, any of that, that'll be in with the still pictures, as well as the manuals that come along with this. You can see the black has a nice shine to it. There you go, 2004 Jaguar XKR Supercharged Coupe. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, Jason's going to take this one for a drive just a bit, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 2004 Jaguar XKR. Very nice condition car. This is an automatic right here on the center console. You can also move it over to standard shift. Very refined, nice leather bucket seats. Quiet ride. Very responsive throttle. Plenty of power. It is fun to push the throttle down. Instant torque, instant acceleration. Astonishingly responsive. The fuel gauge is working, showing a half of a tank. The temperature also right in the middle of the gauge. Speedometer working. I just want to hit the throttle to watch it twitch. The tachometer working as it should on the far left there. Wood in the steering wheel. Simulated wood on the dash as well. Looking very good, very dressed up, you might say. Jaguar always geared for performance and luxury, and this car is no different. Very comfortable. They've got the ergonomics down for comfort on this machine. Stereo sounds great. Cassette I have not tested, but FM is working. We've got Alpine speakers from the factory. Brakes are nice and smooth, cornering. It's just very refined. It's a good word for it. Everything is refined. The kickdown does work on the automatic transmission, and you hear that whine letting you know there is some power under the hood. Very fun, nice car to drive. Comfortable and sporty. Take a look at all the pictures of this Jaguar at uniqueclassiccars.com.